Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And this is presentation we will explain the use of firewall using Wi-Fi in Ubuntu. Let me introduce my friend Aditya Raffi, and then my name is Muhammad Irfan. Okay, next slide, my friend will explain.
Okay, I want to present about our topic of UF UFW firewall. Before we just known about firewall. What is firewall? Firewall is a software on a computer network security system that is able to protect against virus, malware, spam, and other type of attack. It can also be said that a firewall is software to prevent access that is considered illegal or unauthorized from private network. In the main text of a firewall itself is to monitor and control all access to or from network connection based on predetermined security rules. Okay, next Irfan. After we understand about firewall, we just known of UFW. What is UFW? UFW, aka Uncomplicated Firewall, is a program for managing a net filter firewall designed to be easy to use. It uses a command line interface consisting of a small number of simple commands and use IP table for the configuration. Okay, next.
Okay, next, how to filtering packets with Wi-Fi. And next, input syntax sudo apt-get install Wi-Fi for install Wi-Fi in firewall. Okay, step 2. Input enable to active the firewall, sudo Wi-Fi enable, and step 3. Input Wi-Fi status to find out Wi-Fi is active or not. And also, there is a port and IP and sudo Wi-Fi status. Okay, next. Implement allowing and blocking firewall.
Okay, after that we know about configuration or download UFW in Ubuntu. Next, we get into the topic of our discussion, namely the implementation of allowing and blocking on firewall. The first one, we try to give the first one, step one, we try to give permission again port 22, namely SSH, as a access remote control from client to host. Uh, to configuration the SSH, enter syntax sudo ufw allow from input the intended IP, because here we try to number our Ubuntu, therefore we use Ubuntu IP. We use IP 192.168.1.10 TCP to any port 22. Next, enter our Ubuntu root password and then rows in and that. Okay, next Irfan. Okay, next step two. Step two, next we try to enter through the client. Here we use the PuTTY as our bridge application to remote access. In this is we input IP address from the host to be we are just remote access. Okay, next. And this is a display like this will appear in the PuTTY application, which indicate that SSH has been successful and ready to remote PC. Okay, next.
Okay, next to blocking SSH port. In step 1, input syntax deny port 2022 and to be able to access SSH on PuTTY, sudo wv deny from 192.168.1.10 IP Windows Proto TCP to any port 22. Okay, in step 2, display wv status deny port 22, and then input again as IP Ubuntu in PuTTY IP and port 22. Okay, next step 4, last display on PuTTY when access is denied on firewall. Okay, next slide.
Okay, next we are allowing a web server. The first one, we try to give permission again port 18, namely HTTP. Enter the syntax sudo ufw allow from IP from ghost IP. The IP website such as 192.168.1.10 routed to TCP to any port 80. This is we are allowing to any port 80, namely HTTP to this firewall. Okay, step 2. Uh, Step 2, we entered the syntax sudo ufp status to view update for allowing this display on the firewall. And this is uh, port port 18 TCP is allowed by this firewall. Okay, next. And so this is and so then go to the browser, then type the IP address that has been given the permission earlier. And that's it. We we just fill we just fill the correctly the okay. Next, Irfan.
Okay, next, blocking web server. Step 1, input syntax deny port IP to not be able to access web server on internet. Sudo wv deny from IP Windows user 192.168.1.10 proto TCP to any port IP. And step 2, display wv status deny port 8 port IP. And next, step 3 is a display on the web server that we have created. The time is denied. Okay, next slide. Implement delete port in firewall.
Next, please Irfan, before slide. Okay. The firmware if in its application there is a something wrong or missed, we can delete the command that we have entered through the following step. Okay, next. The first one, step 1. We enter in syntax sudo ufw status number. How to we input this syntax? The function to see what command we have to enter into the firewall. Again, then we start deleting the command which we don't want, where I will to try to remove command number 5 on my view. the enter syntax sudo ufw delete, the followed by no number line you want to delete. Next, we will given the question whether we are sure to keep it delete. If yes, then we type y. Next, rule delete with this means this means our syntax was successful and this comment we want to delete has been deleted on the IP table firewall. Okay, next slide, Ifran. Okay, step 3. To reserve, we just enter syntax sudo ufw status number to access ascertain whether the comment has we delete it was correct. Delete or not. If it's like this, it means the delete command we are done and we already able to remove the comment our access on UFW firewall. Next, that's all the presentation from our group, more or less apologies. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And thank you.